An interdisciplinary team of UBC researchers has embarked on a 3-year study to investigate the impact partners have on each other's health behaviors post-stroke.
My stroke happened January 5th, 2017. The reason of the stroke was blockage in my arteries. My whole left side was totally paralyzed. I was in a wheelchair.
Stroke survivor Robert Morissette is learning to live with the ups and downs of life after the stroke.
A good day is when I could do some baking and cooking and enjoy it and spend some quality time with my wife. The bad days is when I have a seizure, because now I have seizure every second day.
The next day he's really tired. He's really sore because the body curves and all of his ribs get really, really sore.
Sandra Wasserman has been looking into ways to learn more about their health behavior since the day of Robert's stroke.
I had gotten in touch with UBC to get in contact with us if there's anything with regard to Robert for a stroke.
They were invited to participate in the Pulse study on everyday health behaviors at the Health and Adult Development Lab at UBC.
And then when I heard about the study, I said that's a perfect fit for us because we're both involved.
The main goal of the study is to understand how partners shape each other's health behaviors after a stroke and how they contribute to each other's health.
The study wants to know how many portion of vegetables we had, how many kilometers did we walk, and the exercise. And the study always asks how your partner is. Which
You
is
like
good.
that part?
I like that part.
I liked it too, actually. You're observing the other person and what they're going through in their daily activities. It just made you more aware and made you more connected, I think, actually. The study was very beneficial, I think, for both of us, really. It woke us up in a couple of areas, and that's what's good.
Yeah, it was a wake-up call.
Over the course of 2 weeks, participants complete daily questionnaires and their physical activity is monitored.
Through the study, I realized how important it is, the exercise. We do a lot of walking, which is good. And we did more after the study.
And now he's walking at the pace that I walk, which is a fast clip. And we don't like saunter around, we actually walk, it's an exercise.
We walk together, and then I walk on my own
and then he's walking
with my
with the caregiver. So he gets quite a bit of walking in. For me, it's a mainstay. And it was nice to see the more activity that he was doing, the better he was feeling, and the movement really helped.
The Pulse study also focuses on the diet of the participants.
It's a good study for me. It made me realize stuff that I didn't know. I would say, wow, look at how many vegetables that my wife is taking. And I said to myself, wow, I only had 2 portions. How could that be? Because I didn't realize how poorly I was not eating vegetables or fruit.
I never thought I'd get him to eat a vegetable, but he's now eating. It gets incorporated a lot into the foods too.
The study is over,
yeah.
But the lifestyle is changing because of the study.
The UBC researchers train the participants of the Pulse study in the use of tablet computers.
I've never used any of those high-tech things. Our instruction was really simple. They made it very easy how to get into it, and then it was just questions. It was just like flipping a page. I found it quite easy, and I think Robert did too.
It was very
We found
easy.
it easy. My kids have been bugging me because I have a granddaughter who lives in Ottawa, and she wants to do FaceTime with me. And because I have a flip phone, I can't do that.
After completing the study, couples can choose to receive monetary reimbursement or keep one tablet.
And then when I heard about the study and there's an iPad, I'm going, well, there's the iPad. But when we actually did the study, we learned how to use the iPad. It became so automatic, and so that made it really the fun part of it. Because here we were taking pictures and doing all kinds of stuff and answering questions and going, this is terrific.
And for everything else the couples would like to learn about their tablet, the Pulse team offers a free and private technology workshop after all study components are complete.
That made a huge difference, actually. Yeah, I was able to not be so intimidated. You just want to find out the basics of how you can get into the computer. Well, FaceTime was important for me, but how to get onto the internet and use it. You learn how easy it is and how much fun it is. And then you go, what was I worried about in the first place? 2 days ago, my granddaughter and I, we FaceTimed. I get to see her in action, and it's so amazing.
Robert and Sandra feel great about their participation in the Pulse study.
I absolutely recommend that you take part in the study. If you have an opportunity like this, don't pass it up. The benefits are, they're plus, plus, and plus. You're getting the interaction with your partner.
The study is the best.
It forces you to get out there and do things.
I would recommend this study to everyone who had a stroke.
And plus it's fun, and you do want fun.
Couples with at least one partner being a stroke survivor from all across British Columbia are invited to participate in the study. The Health and Adult Development Lab at UBC can be reached at 604-822-3549 or pulse@psych.ubc.ca. For more information, visit the Pulse Study website, ubcpulsestudy.wordpress.com.